Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Landslide, your professional Chinese teacher. So today we're going to talk about disaster and pollution, which is very useful in our daily life, especially if you're living or traveling in China. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, we should look at these four new characters. First, 灾祸 and 污染. 灾 and 祸 both have a meaning of disaster. 灾祸 灾祸 and 污染 pollution. 污染 good again. 灾祸污染 First, 地震 earthquake. 地震地震 nice. Next one, conflagration 火灾 Read it with me. 火灾火灾 good. Drought 干旱干旱干旱 Famine 饥荒 Famine 饥荒饥荒 flatten 饥荒 good. And then tropical cyclone 热带气旋热带气旋 El Niño 厄尔尼诺厄尔尼诺 Again 厄尔尼诺 Wind disaster 风灾风灾 Hurricane 飓风飓风 Tornado 龙卷风 Again 龙卷风 Good. Next one, typhoon 台风 which is directly translated from the sounds of English. 台风台风 nice. Tsunami 海啸海啸 Again 海啸 nice. Next one, storm surge 风暴潮风暴潮 Read after me. 风暴潮 Good. Next one. And then flood 洪水洪水 13 水 Next one, landslide 山体滑坡山体滑坡 Good. Next one, debris flow 泥石流泥石流 Again 泥石流 Next one, acid rain 酸雨酸雨 Thunder 雷电雷电 Good. Next one, cold wave 寒潮寒潮 Get right after me. 寒潮 freezing rain 冻雨 Again 冻雨 Next one, snowstorm 雪灾雪灾 avalanche 雪崩雪崩雪崩 Next one, volcano eruption 火山爆发 火山爆发 plague 瘟疫 traffic accident 车祸 airplane disaster 空难 Good. So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words. Hope you can listen and review. And don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bit icon so that you can get notification for the next video. So, hope you enjoy. See you in next course. Bye.